Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Once you see how unbelievable this beautiful blanket is from Whisper Organics, you're going to be at the point where it's really hard to make your bed in the morning. This blanket is a beautiful, heavy-duty organic cotton. But just because it's heavy-duty, don't be fooled. It is the ultimate in softness. One thing that I love about it is that the threads are so finely woven, so you don't have any air pockets that come in between the threading on this blanket. This blanket is also really durable when you wash it. So I washed it and dried it both in the dryer and I line dried it outside, and the blanket endured through everything that I put it through while coming out still really nice and soft. The blanket is a great year-round option as well because it's heavy weighted, but at the same time, it works great when you layer it with your other blankets. So you really feel super warm and cozy in this blanket. Once you feel how well this is made and how soft it is, you're really never going to want to wake up in the morning. It also really is fun to make the bed knowing that you can come back to it at the end of the day and you will still be really comfortable and cozy in your beautiful blanket. But that's just my point of view.